Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights in the Priceline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the book button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the flights button. So first you have to set if it's a round trip or a one-way trip. And then you have to set the airport, the departure airport, and then the destination as well. And then you have to set the departure date. And then you have to set the number of passengers traveling with you, and then the type of cabin that you want to travel on. And then just click on the search flights button. And as you can see, these are the options available. So if you click on any of them, you will be able to see more detailed information. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.